How to give access to your Google Drive. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to your Google Drive. To give someone access to your Google Drive, files or folders, you will need to follow these steps. There are two ways to give someone access to your Google Drive. The first one is sharing a file or folder. First of all, you will need to open your Google Drive. For that, what you can do is open your Google Chrome browser, and then at the right top you will find this Google Apps icon. Tap on this icon and from here you can find Google Drive. Click on it and make sure you are logged into your Google account here. Now once you reach to this page, here find the file or folder you want to share. Once you find it, you can right click on it, or you can simply click on this three dot located at the right side. Once you do so, from this drop down menu you can find share option. Hover your cursor over this share option and from here click on this share. Once you do so, a little dialog box will appear on your screen. From here you can now add people or groups whom you want to share the file or the folder. Here you will need to enter the email address of the people you want to share the file. As you enter the email address, a drop-down will appear with options for level of access you want to grant. Tap on it to open it. There you will find three different options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Viewer can view the file or folder but cannot make changes, whereas Commenter can add comments but cannot make the changes. And if you select Editor, they can make changes to your files or folders. You can choose one of these options based on your preference. Once you have selected it, a blue tick mark will appear in front of the option to indicate the selection. Now once you have done that, here you will find the message box. You can add an optional message to the receiver explaining what the file or folder is for, or you can provide additional instructions. Now after doing all this, you can click on the send button right here to share the file or folder. Once you do that, the person will get the invitation email, and from there they can access your Google Drive. The second method is by sharing a link. If you want to just share a link with that person whom you want to share your Google Drive, then you can follow these steps. Find the folder or file you want to share. Then right click on it. There you will find share option. Once you select this share option, you will be presented with two different options. You can find copy link option. Click on this option and now you can see your link has been copied. You can also tap on this manage access option. And from here, you can click on this restricted option. Once you click on it, there you will find two different options. The first one is restricted, which is currently selected, and the second one is anyone with the link. If you select this option, that means anyone who gets this link can access your Google Drive. So now you can click on this anyone with the link and choose the level of access for the link. Click on this option and from here select the option based on your preference. Once you have selected it, wait for a while and then click on this done button. Once you do that, now you can send the link to the person you want to share the file or folder with via email, chat, or any other social media method. So by following these steps, you can control who has access to your Google Drive, files, and folders and what level of access they have. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.